All right, today we got the CC 6-inch mini chainsaw. It's not just a chainsaw, it also comes with an extender, which is great, so I don't have to grab a ladder to cut those branches up there. Super easy, let me show you how it works. Take the battery off, slide that on top of the tool. Let's get rid of that. Take the battery, bottom, and this thing actually goes much higher than this. It's definitely more than we'll need, but I just want to show you the length of it. Look at this. That's crazy. I don't have to be up close. I can cut this down right here. Woo! Simple. This thing's actually spring loaded, so and it does have a safety switch right here. This does have to be pressed before you can start this chainsaw.